Alright, hello. I just decided to do a little try-on haul today because I bought all this stuff for our trip to Italy and I just tried them all on today even though I bought them 2 months ago. So way past my time to return them. I will show you the clothes on as well and show you some of the stuff that I liked, that I didn't like, and some of my travel and packing tips. Tip number 1. If you want to be trendy, get the least expensive trendy stuff. I'm a fitness trainer full-time and all I wear are yoga pants, activewear, sneakers. And so for Italy, I really wanted to be cute and chic. I'm 29 years old. I swore off Forever 21 and I have not bought anything from them in years, but I really wanted to take cute photos and be super chic and trendy, so I bought a bunch of stuff from Forever 21. So that's my tip number 1. If you want to be trendy, get the least expensive trendy stuff. So first I got these little, they remind me of like little 90s shirts. These little cute cropped tees that are in that stretchy kind of ribbed, I forgot what you call this kind of top, but it's that stretchy woven top. I got it in white and in black, but you'll see I got both a small, but you'll see the difference in the sizes. Like the white is much tighter. I don't know if because a lot of people tried this black one on, it does feel looser, but I don't know, I kind of like the fit of both of them. I like that the white one is a little tighter and that you'll see too when I wear them, the black is a little looser, has a little bit more space. They're really cute, I like them. Black and white. Oh, okay, so a majority of the stuff you'll see are also in black and white, and that is for a few reasons. Hashtag basic. I'm just a basic girl. I don't like prints or patterns. I just like to increase my permutation of outfits that I can wear, changing things up. It is just more cost effective if you stick to a color theme and you can mix and match, especially if you're traveling 2 weeks and you're going to be from hotel to hotel, not being able to wash all your clothes all the time, and that way you don't have to pack that much and, you know, just increase your permutation. The next up I have are these little tees. They're crop tees. I got this in this light green, which I love that color, and of course black. And also because I got everything in black and white, I made sure to pay attention to little details. So like little ruffles, ribbing. I like ribbing a lot. So you can keep it basic, but if you pay attention to little details, it really makes a difference, I think. So I got 2 of these. I got these low scoop tees, ribbed, again with that little detail on the top. In the back it has a really low scoop. I got that in white and in black, of course. Okay. And then I also got this white top. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for Italy. I don't know. I like it. It's big, oversized, thick, kind of heavyweight, thick. It's like kind of athleisure, and like I said, it's oversized, which I love because I'm small and I like that look of big clothes on small people. Even though I try to get more form-fitting stuff, this is what I like. Even though it's, you know, boxy and shapeless, I like that look on short people for some reason, really petite people. So I got this. I don't know if I'll use it in Italy, but I want to keep it. Looks like Tokyo chic or something. Then I got these little tank tops, which I hate. I do not like them at all. I will give them away to somebody, or I can exchange them for store credit, I think, because I'm past the point of return. But I don't know. Well, that's the thing with, you know, trying things on after you buy them after 2 months. I like the ribbing, kind of. I don't know. It's not my favorite ribbing. And again, it has the ruffles on the bottom. but I think the fit is just not flattering. The scoop is in an awkward place. It should be higher or lower, preferably. I got that in black and white, so I will not be keeping these or wearing these. I do love these. Now these tank tops are really cute. They got the little scalloped edges. I think the scoop is really flattering on your, you know, bust. I love the ribbing on them. They're cropped, they're comfy. This is the kind of tank I like. So I got this in white. I will keep this, and in black I will keep these. These are cute. So again, basic black and white, but it has those little details. Little details. So the pants I'm wearing in the try-on are culottes from H&M, and I literally bought 4 pairs of black culottes. I'm just all about the culottes. So the first one is from H&M, and they go right above my ankle. The fit is perfect. It has pockets. It has this really cute waistband with that paper bag kind of style. I got these from Forever 21, which are kind of like a fancier culotte because they're just like they're a woven pant, no pockets, pretty seams, just really straightforward pant. I need to get these hemmed because they're super long, so I'm going to take these to the tailor in the next few days. I need to get that done. So just black, wide leg, breezy, easy, mix and match, boom. I have another one from Forever 21. Again, that paper bag waist. It has this long ribbon tie. And these are long too. I need to have these hemmed, but they have a nice slit at the ankle. And finally, these ones from Target, they have more of that like gauzy fabric, so it's real flowy, and the slit on this one goes all the way up to the thigh, and they have little shorts underneath like those. Yeah, it's just easy, breezy, comfortable. That's another tip that I have. For everything that I bought, I thought it's gonna be hot as fuck. We're gonna be walking around a lot. We're gonna be visiting churches and things like that, and you have to be able to cover your shoulders and knees. So what is comfortable? I don't like short shorts. I don't like skirts because, like I said, I wear leggings all day, every day, so I thought culottes were the perfect choice. They're easy, breezy, you can move in them, you can sit in them, you can eat in them, and they look really cute on short people if they fit you correctly, so I had to get those tailored. A few other things from Target that I got was this little cute white top, and I love that it's kind of the combination of that white boxy tee and the ruching scrunchy shirts that I got. So it's a little cash, a little cute. I didn't like them with culottes, but you'll see that I put jeans on, and I thought that was a really cute combo. Jeans, this white tee, a little comfy, a little chic, with some cute like sandals or espadrilles. I got that. What else did I get from Target? Oh, I got one dress. I have one dress. This is the dress. Most of the stuff that I get from Target is the Who What Wear line. I love their line at Target, and they're pretty reasonably priced. I like the quality of it, and of course the style. This is a dress here. It's kind of like a linen type of fabric. I like that it has the sleeves, ruffled sleeves. I like that it is shapeless, more like a shift, and it has ruffles at the bottom. I like the length, and I added a cute little belt. I like it with or without a belt. So without a belt, it's just more flowy and breezy, and with a belt, it's a cute, more put together look. Almost there, guys. I also got this beautiful green colored bathing suit. Okay, I like the color. It's like a soft, like cool sage. Pretty. What else do I have around here? And oh, I forgot one top. And I also got this from Forever 21. I just forgot to show this. I also got this from Forever 21. I love this. This is probably my favorite top out of everything I got. I love the shape of it. I love the boxy, like how it's straight at the bust and thick straps. That's another tip that I had to think of, especially being much older now. I'm like, can I wear a bra with it? Because if I cannot wear a bra with it, then I do not want it. And straps preferably. Again, it's gonna be hot. I don't want to be futzing around. I think I have like 2 strapless tops or sleeveless, shoulderless, what do you call it? Off the shoulder tops. But for the most part, everything has a sleeve or a strap so that I can wear a bra with it. So this was really cute. I love that. And it's just simple black fabric. You can wear it with anything, dress it up, dress it down, perfection. Okay, a few other things that I got. Another tip that I have is to mix highs and lows. So, I also got these PJs. It has matching shorts. Got PJs because we're gonna be with Steven and his family, and I can't wear what I would normally wear to bed, which is nothing. Okay, random things. I say mix highs and lows. So you'll see that I have some from Forever 21, from Target, from H&M. These are from Amazon. Again, if you're gonna buy trends, get the least expensive trend. So these are the micro cat eye sunglasses. Honestly, I just wanted to look really cool in my Polaroid photos so that my future daughters can look back on them and say, wow, my mom was really fashionable and cool. These were from Amazon. They were, I think, like $9 or something. Little micro sunglasses. I think the ones from Zara were like $30 or $40 and they were a little bit bigger, but I mean, this is just for the gram, okay? So that's from Amazon. Highs and lows. Something that I did spend more money on was shoes. I always have to have a vacation travel shoes, and I finally got a pair of Saludos espadrilles. I got them in the leather platform. These got good reviews online for how comfortable they are, especially walking around everywhere. And I mean, I wanted to just put on Birks, and one of my clients just like lashed out on me. She's like, you cannot wear Birks. You will look so American. You'll look like American tourist. You gotta be chic. So I got these. I've wanted them for a long time, and they look cute with that dress that I wore, with culottes off, like a little above the ankle culottes, with jeans, dress them up, dress them down. So I got them in leather so I can dress them up and dress them down. They're really soft. My right foot is smaller than my left though, so this one kind of slips off just a little bit, but I'll have to figure out what I can do. These were, I think, the most expensive but most quality things that I bought, and these I'm gonna wear forever and it's gonna last me a long time. Random things that I got also were, I finally got my hands on this Summer Fridays, the jet lag mask, and I tried this last night. I got it from Sephora. I tried it last night, and oh my god, the hype is real. It feels so like cooling on your skin. It feels so cooling and hydrating, and I don't know, I can't tell if my wrinkles are gone or not, but it does feel like you can like soak it all in, like your skin is just soaking it all in. So I got that. And one more thing I did get. Other thing that I did get was the KKW Beauty fragrance. KKW fragrance, what is it? KKW fragrance Crystal Gardenia Citrus. And honestly, obviously I've used a lot of it. Honestly, I probably would have liked just Crystal Gardenia better, and that's the one that I wanted, but it was sold out of the smaller size. This is the smaller size, and I didn't want to commit to having it if I didn't like it. So this was the smaller size of the Crystal Gardenia Citrus. I've used a lot of it. I like it. I like it. It smells like, so it said citrus, and I think The description said something about like pomelo and grapefruit. And it just smells like a floral, grapefruity shower. A cold, like a hot shower that finishes off cold. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's really refreshing. It's very 29-year-old appropriate, and I like it because, again, I said I'm a fitness trainer and this lasts all day, and like when I pass by clients in a sweaty ass room, you get a whiff of it and it smells like fresh, refreshing, fresh. It is fresh, it is wet smelling, but I think I'm more of like a floral spice person than like a citrus floral berry person. So that's it. I'm gonna pack all this shit up. I'm gonna clean up, start packing, gotta get those pants tailored, gotta charge all these camera batteries, and we are off to Italia. Ciao.